back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I created this beautiful no-sew packet for journal. This is for my partner on my Facebook swap. This idea is actually from Pam, from the Paper Outpost. Check her channel. She has lots of beautiful and great projects. This is a very easy project. So all you need is envelopes. For this project I use 3.5 by 6.5. It's small. I put 8 envelopes, so you need 8, but you can add or you can use lesser. A lot of washi tape. So in my project I didn't really have a lot of washi tape. Some of them are like halfway, so didn't really have, but I used 3 different kinds and kind of just use them together. And what else did I use? Oh, distress ink. I inked the edges. This is optional. The ink is optional. A fabric, you need fabric to connect the 2 sets and use as a spine as well. Glue, a lot of glue. And what else? And then the tools that I use is just a scissor. For the front, I use my scraps, so do not draw any scraps. They make a really beautiful as like a decorations. And what else did I use? Okay, so I just made a little mistake, but I put some wax seal. What happens is it just made it very thick, but I don't know, I like it. What I did is I just add 4 wax seals, but then I realized it was so thick, so I just take it off and add some little ephemeras, which is so cute. In the inside of the envelope I added ephemeras, some goodies inside of the envelopes. Have fun creating. Thank you.